Hi, welcome to AbeeRugs. We have another carpet. There was a few days ago I showed you how the carpet was damaged, and we already done the fixing. This is the one. We already done all the carpet. You can see here now all the edges already fixed it. We make this edges new all through. So this carpet is a beautiful Tabriz silk and wool from Iran, and I just advise the customer to please regular send for cleaning, washing, repairing anything. So it's for the long life carpet. So it's a beautiful piece of art, and it's a 12 by 18 feet. So stay tuned for the next video. Please visit our showroom. We have a large collection of Persian and modern carpet design. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.